Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Baratza Virtuoso, and this machine was brought in because it wasn't grinding enough for an espresso grind. And what we discovered is that the upper burr carrier, this little piece here, was malfunctioning partly due to the fact that it has a crack here, and so it wasn't able to twist and hold its position in the fine position. But here it is, replaced and working once again. And let's see, here's in here, got some beans in here, and we've got it pretty much the finest setting that it'll go to. Alright, there we go. Let's take a peek in here. I'll dump a little here. You can see that it's clumping up nicely as indicative of a very fine grind. We'll take it here, pinch it between our fingers, and you can see it holds its form very well. And that's good enough for espresso. So, there it is, Baratza Virtuoso, working once again. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos, and if you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.